The foldable iPhone, often referred to as the iPhone Fold in rumors, represents Apple's potential entry into the foldable smartphone market, blending innovation with their signature design philosophy. Expected to launch in 2025 or later, this device may feature a flexible OLED display with a seamless folding mechanism, offering users a compact form factor that expands into a tablet-sized screen. Reports suggest that Apple is focusing heavily on durability, addressing concerns about foldable screens by employing advanced materials and a hinge design that minimizes visible creases. The foldable iPhone is rumored to support Apple Pencil functionality, enhancing productivity for creative and professional users. It is likely to be powered by Apple's cutting-edge A-series chip, ensuring top-tier performance, and could incorporate features like Face ID within the flexible display. Additionally, Apple is expected to include advanced camera technology, optimized for both standard and folded modes, making it versatile for content creation. With its emphasis on premium build quality, seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem, and enhanced user experience, the foldable iPhone could redefine the foldable market and set a new standard for innovation.